I'm Christina, and I've been making jewelry for a long time now. And today, I want to share with you a little bit about the materials that I use to make macrame bracelets. So, if this is something that is interesting for you, then keep watching. Okay, so the very first thing that I want to talk to you about is this board. It's a heart board that I got from Walmart, and I put my logo here on it. Normally I use this one that has this hook here, and I also use this ones for this end when I'm using the cord. I can grab a piece and then secure it here, and start working. This is the very first thing that I use along with this type of hooks. There's also other professional tools that people use to make this type of bracelets, but this is the one that I use. So this is the first thing. The second thing that I use is this measuring board. It has centimeters here and here, and also the beads size on this side when you're working on it. And it's very good to work while you need to be measuring cord. Another thing that you can use is this measuring tape or even a ruler. You can also use a ruler to measure your cord. Another thing that I use is Korean cord in several colors. Normally I use the 0.8 millimeters, but sometimes I can also use the 1 millimeter. You can see here that this one is a little thicker. And whenever I need to use some charms or do some macrame, I use this one. And this one I normally use it by itself, like without doing any macrame. Another type of cord that I use is this rat tail cord. Let me show you. It's a little thicker than the Korean cord. And I only have it in this brown, black, and white colors. So if you can see here, let's compare the Chinese to the rat tail. You can see it's a lot thicker. Again, this one, I don't use it to do macrame per se, but I use it to make just simple bracelets with a macrame knot and a simple charm. There is also another cord that I wanted to show you. Is this cotton cord that has little golden accents. I have it in 4 colors. I have it available in blue, pink, white, and black. And again, with this ones, I don't do macrame knots. I just use it normal, like without making any macrame. The one that I use to make macrame is this 0.8. And you can see that I have so many colors available that I can work with. I really love this Korean cord because it allows you to make bracelets like this one. This is an example of a flat macrame knot. And here you can see the cotton cord with a simple charm. Another thing that I also like to use are charms, mostly Miyuki charms, like this evil eye. And I also have letters and all sorts of charms that I use for bracelets, tassels, and many other charms that I also use to make macrame bracelets. Another important thing that I use is this stainless steel gold-plated balls or beads that I use at the end of each cord. I think it adds an extra touch to each bracelet. And some extras that I use are my lighter and scissors. And there you have it. This is basically everything that I use to make macrame bracelets. You can see the charms, the gold-plated beads, scissors, cord, measuring tape, a lighter, more charms, a measuring board, and the most important thing is this clipboard that I use to attach the cord and make the bracelets. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments or any questions, please let me know in the comment box.
Now, for the closure, we're going to take both sides and we're going to sit them straight next to the other, like this. And to make that macrame knot that is going to join this tail together, we're going to form a C or a P. So we're going to take our thread and we're going to go under this one and under all the cords through the other side. Both sides. And we have our first knot. Now we made our P from this side, so now we're gonna make our P on this side. And the way we know where we need to make our P is we need to make sure that the thread is coming from the bottom of the knot. So I know that I need to make my P on this side, so we make our P, make sure that the cords are straight, and then we take this one, it goes above the one that we just used to make the P, and then under all my cords and through the P that we just made. So we'll pull tight. And we have our second one. Again, this cord is coming from the top. This one is coming from the bottom, so I know that my P has to be on this side. So we make our P, we take this thread, we put it through here and then under all our cords and our P. Pull tight. And I'm going to do it one more time. So again, my P. And then this comes above the P and then under all the cords and under the P. Now on this side, I do my P. This is above this one and under the P. Once again. And I think this looks good. This, so we pull tight and we just trim our ends on each side. And now we take our lighter and again using the bottom of the flame or the blue part, we burn the ends so this doesn't come undone. and it's done. So again, super easy to make, and it looks very, very pretty.
And here are just some of the bracelets that I make with macrame and also Miyuki. Most of them are made with 0.8 macrame cord. I hope you like them. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.